Hi, you guys. So I am here to talk about how I made this piece and just steer you guys into the right links and how to do each step. I'm going to try and show you guys how to make this QR code right here and this sound wave that I made for my grandmother's voicemail. She passed in the end of July this year, or last year, sorry. And I had a bunch of voicemails, and I just like hearing her voice every day, just like I used to last year. I used to hear her voice every day. So it's helped me whenever I wanted to just click it and listen to it. Just the sound helps. So, I did post some links in the comments. I did post a tutorial of someone else doing this. There is tons of different websites and different ways on how to make these things. I just I just wanted to do this also. So first, I want you guys to get your voicemail or your audio file that you want and get it downloaded to your computer. And that's the first step. And then we're going to come to a page, and this will be the Soundwave. And this page will be posted below. The link will be posted below so you don't have to type it in. So this page has a lot of cool things. Just try and remember it. So we're going to go to cool stuff, and they have you can make an MP3 audio waveform, a graphic generator. We want generate a waveform image from an audio file. That's the one that I'd want. And it comes to this page, and we're going to hit try it. So we're going to come to the next page, and this is where we're going to upload your file. This screen, when it pops up, that is not your wave sound. We're going to hit our voicemail. And it's going to take you to the next page. And we're just going to hit, we're going to go to the audio waveform image options. And it's on the smallest size. I want you guys to hit the 3600 by 1200, the largest size. This foreground color, you can make it whatever you want. I like the black. You can change it in your Cricut if you want to. We're going to skip the wallpaper options and hit OK. And here is my wave sound. So you can click this link to save it. You can click on it and right click, save to downloads. Or you could just right click on it and save to downloads. And now it is down here in my downloads file. So that is the first step for the sound wave. And then I'm going to take you guys to Cricut Design. We're going to open that up. We're going to hit new project. We're going to hit upload, upload image, browse, downloads. You're always going to hit complex. I always hit complex. And it's going to take you this. The background is already completely out. You're going to hit apply and continue. There is no difference. When you upload this one, it's the same as uploading this one. For this sound wave, there's no difference. You might see a little difference right here, but once you download it and upload it, there's no difference. So hit cut image and then hit upload. And then it's going to be right here. We're going to click on the uploaded and then hit add to canvas. And there it is. I'll just make it a little bit smaller. There is your sound wave from your voicemail. You can make it however big you want, change the color, anything you want. I like the black. That's just what I like. So now we have to go to making our QR code. Now, this is a little bit different because this is where if you have a voicemail or an audio file, if you have an audio file, you should have no trouble just going to the QR code page that I have listed. I'm not really sure, but I have a voicemail, so the voicemail needs to be converted to an MP3 file to be uploaded to the next web page. So I'm going to come to this website. You don't have to make a login or anything. You could just, I like to make a login sometimes for pages just to keep all my stuff where I want it. So we're going to hit choose files. Here's my voicemail. Here is my voicemail. I'm sorry, I picked the wrong one. We're going to convert. Actually, we're not. We're going to upload our voicemail and then we're going to hit MP3 right here. I'm sorry. MP3. And then we're going to convert the voicemail. And it'll take like a minute. And then we should be able to download it. So it'll download.
Hi, it's Truth.
And that's my grandma. So then we have the voicemail in our downloads, okay? It's right here. It's all ready. It's look, you can see it. It says MP3. It changed. So now we can take our voicemail that's converted to an MP3 and we're going to upload it to this website. Again, you guys will have the links below to get to these websites, okay? So first, some websites, like I said, they require you to have an account made. It's not hard. You just log in, you just sign up right here before you start. So I'm going to log in because I have an account already. If my computer will let me. Okay, so once you do that, I have a couple already made. I'm going to hit create QR code. And it's going to take you to this screen. Once you make your account, it should take you to this screen, okay? So there is tons of different ways to do QR codes. You can make one for your website, your social media, coupons, business page. They have it all. We're looking for MP3 play an audio file. So we're going to hit that and then hit next at the bottom of the screen. Don't worry about this. We're going to get to that on the next page. We're going to hit next. So it brings you to this page. We're going to focus in right here to upload the MP3. So we're going to upload. Yours is in your downloads file. Okay, so we have our voicemail. It's already in there. Then this design and customize. So this right here is what is going to pop up on the screen, okay? When you are listening to your voicemail or your audio file, this is what you're going to look at. So you can change all the colors. to any color that you want. I like the green. And then you can change. This one's a secondary, and it's the little play button. You can put whatever color you want, any color you want. Now you can change you could take the picture out, and you can upload any picture you want to this. I have tons of pictures, as you can see. We can do my grandma and my son for the file. It'll take 1 minute to upload. And that's what you'll be looking at when you are listening to your voicemail again. So you can change all this stuff. You could put I love you. These are more of like a website type thing, but it's still nice to read when if you're gifting this to somebody, you could put until we meet again. If it's someone who has passed away, the website, you could add a website if you want. If it's somebody who had a website and you want to look at that and relive those moments, or pictures, you could put some kind of pictures on a website, and you could click on that once you hit your QR code. That's not what we're doing though. You could put anything. So after I'm done with that, you could also, on your welcoming screen, when you scan a QR code, it takes a minute to load, maybe like 4 seconds. I'm going to say 4 seconds. You could put another image of somebody or anything on there as it's going to go to this page right here. But we're not going to do that. We're going to hit next. So then it takes us to the active QR code page. It's just going to show us our QR code, which is right there, and it says scan me. Now, if you're not into having the border or this little icon that says scan me, you can change it. You can hit any of these frames. They have a lot of frames right here. I don't like on these memorial type ones that I make, I don't like those. But if you're having a business and you want it big where people know what to do or they're unfamiliar, you can have this on there for scan me. You can change, there's tons of different borders, words. I don't like that, so I'm just gonna hit no frame on mine. And you can change how your QR code actually looks. If you want it to look like this, circles. I really like the circles for some reason. Or there's squares. I like the squares a lot too. Mind you, like the squares and the circles are going to be small. It depends on how big you're going to make it when you're cutting it on Cricut Design. So I'm going to choose this look for my QR code, and I'm just going to hit download. So once that's downloaded, it's going to come up as in your downloads. Beautiful. It's already down here in your downloads at the bottom. So we're going to go back over to our Cricut Design. We have our Soundwave already prepped and it's uploaded. So we're going to hit upload again. And then we're going to hit upload image again. Browse. We're going to come back up here and click our QR code. We're going to hit complex and continue. Now for this, we do not have to convert. This is a PNG file also. So we do not have to convert this image to an SVG file, which you could if you wanted to. There is another link that I could put below if you wanted to change it, but we don't have to. We just have to hit remove background. and it will remove the background and it will work. And apply and continue. So we're not gonna, if you can hit print and cut, you can do that. I am gonna cut it out. So we're gonna cut image and press upload. And then we're gonna just hit upload, add to canvas. Whoops. Trying to make it smaller for you guys to see. And there we have it. We have our Soundwave and QR code. And that is how I made my piece for my grandma with her voicemail. It's real simple. If you guys have any more questions, if something is not working for you, don't hesitate to message me. Um, this sound from the person you're trying to everlast is important, and it made me feel better. I would love if I could help you guys do the same thing, or if you have any other questions, just reach out to me. Okay.